arc welding robot operation teaching. Click Settings. Click on Swing Arc Welding Process. You can modify the parameters here. This is the name of the craft. Here are the process parameters such as frequency, arc, etc. After setting is complete, click Save. Click Welding Process. We can add new crafts. You can also edit the original parameters. Choose the arc welding here. Click Save. Now you can select the parameter name you just set. Here you can see the set process parameters. Now our process is set up. Now for jig welding tutorial. First, set up a safe spot. Click this button to record a safe point. Move to welding starting point. Click this button. Move the robot to the welding endpoint. Click this button. Finally, move the robot to a safe point. Click this button. Finally, press and hold this button until it turns green. Jig teaching completed. Start the robot. There are many swing arc welding processes to choose from.